Good morning, CMS. Today is Friday, November 6th, 2020. And with that being said, let's please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. For Friday's menu, we have mandarin orange chicken, vegetable lo mein, steamed broccoli, celery sticks, fortune cookie, and fresh fruit. For choice B, meat lovers pizza. Now for breakfast, we have a cinnamon roll with milk. Moving on to Monday. Mongoose Monday is coming up. We have spicy or regular chicken patty on a bun with lettuce and tomato. Oven baked fries, vegetable medley, and applesauce. Choice B, Bosco sticks with marinara. For breakfast, for Mongoose Monday, we have buttery maple snack and waffles, mixed berry cup, and milk. Now, with our birthdays, we've got birthdays, that's right. I think we missed a couple, but I think they've been included for today. We've got some birthdays to celebrate, and here they are. Taylor, Kaylee, Dolores, Jackson, Adriana, Aiden, Cameron, Hunter, Kenneth. I was going to say Kenny, that's why. I was immediately going to go to Kenny, but it's Kenneth, Alana, and Abigail. Happy birthday to all of you. Now, look at that little graphic. CMS is holding a virtual book fair that starts today. You can find the link on the CMS web announcements or Mr. Madigan's blog. Moving on to the next. Yes. National French Week fact number 3. Did you know that Pierre Curie, who's a French physicist, and his wife, Maria, a French-Polish physicist, won a Nobel Prize in Physics for all their work with radioactivity? Did you know that? I didn't, but there you go. That was fact number 3. November 6th, end of the first quarter. November 9th, start of the second quarter. November 11th, Picture Retake Day. November 25th to 27th, Thanksgiving break. Basically, nothing has changed on the bulletin board. It's all the same. All right, so take a gander at that, and there you go. Now, the quote of the day: be less curious about people and more curious about ideas. All right, that was a quote of the day. Show your Colt pride, everybody. Be responsible, be respectful, and be safe. Now, with all of that being said, have a wonderful Friday. Have a wonderful weekend. Be safe, be smart, make good decisions out there. Enjoy the weather, too, and be blessed.
In every subject area. In addition, Russell blew us all away and composed a magnificent piano arrangement to commemorate 9/11. Congrats, Russell.